Welcome back to this crash technical drawing for exercise 1 to 3, and today I'm excited because we're going to be proving that the angle in a semicircle is a right angle. So in this case, we are going to draw a random circle. So I've always been waiting to prove this. So we're going to draw a random circle here. Now we'll draw an arbitrary diameter, and then you know that a semicircle is bordered by an arc and a diameter. So now we can take any of these upper or lower semicircle, but let's take the upper so that it will be easier for me to demonstrate. Now, next thing you need to do is you draw a chord from the edge of that diameter. So let's call the diameter AB. So from the edge AB, from the edge B, let's draw a chord to meet the circumference. So let's call it C1. Then you draw another corresponding chord from that C to the other edge of the diameter. Now we'll measure this angle. Let's measure the angle. So I'll zoom in now so we can measure it in detail. Let's measure it. We are going to verify if the angle in the semicircle is actually 90 degrees. So put your protractor on that angle. Let it line with the line. Let it line in. Then you can see. Let's do that. So we have here. So as you can see, this is authentic. This is a 90 degree. So voila, this proves that the angle in a semicircle is actually 90 degrees. The reason for me doing this is because I studied that too in high school, secondary school, and I didn't prove it immediately I was taught, but I was taught it would be cool to prove it in a video.